Alright, this is how to remove the ECU on a Honda Civic. This is a 1999. So first of all, we need to remove this plastic piece of trim here. And to do that, we're going to need to remove this push pin. So get up underneath this push pin. Got to kind of pry it out. You got a little pliers or something to grab a hold of it. That's going to work easiest. Just keep working it till it comes out. Now once that push pin is out, there's another one up there right here. Okay, easiest thing I found was just to use the trim to just pull it out, kind of like that. You can try to get a flat head up underneath it, but otherwise just kind of pull the trim and it'll probably come along with it. So. All right, next step is easy. You're just going to kind of pry on this. Got a couple of plastic clips. Pull it towards you and out. You can see there's the plastic clips, but it's really the push pins that hold it in. So now you're going to see the ECU is exposed here. You've just got a couple of bolts and some plugs, and that's about it. So start with taking off the two bolts here and go from there. Okay, so a few tips. First of all, it's a 10mm, or it's two 10mm bolts. It's going to be one bolt on the side. I believe it's right here. That, when you remove that, you're going to actually be able to pull the ECU out. And there's going to be another bolt right here. That's going to be holding on a little bracket. As you can see right there, that bracket with the wiring harness. So once you remove that bolt, the wiring harness is at least loose. The plugs will still be in. So you've got 4 plugs on the bottom. Those need to be removed. Fairly easy, just squeeze them and pull out. This green plug here does not need to be removed. It can stay with that bracket with the wiring harness. So then your ECU is removed, and the installation is just the opposite of removal. Plug your plugs in, put your bracket back on, position it up, put your other bolt back in, put your trim back on, and you're all set. So hope this video helps somebody out who's trying to do this. If it did, please help the channel out, give us a subscribe, a like, and enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for watching.